पुराय रितीन अरविल्ले साधन सुविधांनी भरिल्ले फुटबॉल अकादमी खातीर बेस्ट ग्राउंड तयार करपाचें काम सुरू आसा। मूळ भारतीय आशिल्ल्या कॅट्स नायडूक साऊथ आफ्रिकेत करियर करता आसतना युवा फुटबॉला विशीं खूब अणभव आयला। आता आपले मूळ आशिल्ल्या देशांत येवन फुटबॉल वयर काडपा खातीर मजत करपाक कॅट्स उमेदीन आसा।
It has been very satisfying in the sense that, serving the country one. But I also think it's the ambition of our chairman, Mr. Dempo. I think there's two other things that's very close to him, is that education and football. And my engagement here was to ensure that we can get this academy off the ground, and at the same time we can fill his tank with fish that we can take to another level. So basically, it's a tough call. But we're on our way. Our grounds have started, and all other peripherals are all coming together. So we're hoping to launch 2017 June.
Tell us more about the method employed while scouting these kids.
Listen, it was a tough call. We had a couple of workshops with the technical staff here on selection criteria, what to look for. Again, in a nutshell, it's based on good technique, game intelligence, which is tactics, personality, the willingness to play, the big smile on the face, the creativity. And lastly is a mental factor, which is very, very important. And add to that speed, because in the modern game, you don't have speed, you can't compete.
There have been some academies which have been very famous in India, like TFA, then Seza Football Academy as well. So will Dempo Football Academy be one of the best in the business?
I think we'll be the best among all of them. I think they've all done fine work and etc. etc. But I want to create a sort of relationship with all these academies. It's important for us, we can share ideas. I just hope they're open to it. I just think that, yes, we are going about it cautiously. We are going about it one step at a time. That's what I like about it. We're going in phases. So the fruit will be seen only after 4 years. That's very important for me. But academies in India have done well. But I'm trying to be ambitious. I hope with Hare Krishna's help I get there. I want to see a player play abroad. And if that happens, I've done it.
युरोपियन देशांतल्या क्लबांकडे टायअप करपाचो पर्याय आसा अशें कॅट्जान सांगले। प्रुडंटा खातीर खेळा संपादक नीरज प्रभू आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस।